And amid the US-Iran tensions, Africa is reeling from repercussions stemming from the conflict. In Nigeria, the surge in fuel costs is intensifying domestic challenges. Nigeria's finance minister saying he will appeal for stronger international financial support at this week's IMF World Bank spring meetings in Washington. Nigeria's finance minister has said surging crude prices have delivered mixed fortunes for Nigeria. While higher oil revenues have boosted foreign exchange earnings, the shock has intensified inflationary pressures and raised living costs for households. Meanwhile, petrol prices have jumped more than 50%, $0.98 per litre, and diesel has surged over 70% to $1.14 per litre. Businesses and families are feeling the strain. Nigeria's benchmark Bonny Light crude has also climbed from around $70 a barrel before the conflict to above $120 a barrel. Inflation, which had eased to 15% in February from 33% in December, is once again under pressure. The sudden rise in prices has threatened to derail reforms launched in 2023 under the Nigerian president. His administration, remember, had ended costly fuel subsidies, devalued the currency, and introduced sweeping tax changes in a bid to stabilize the economy and revive growth. At the spring meetings, the finance minister, who also chairs the G24 group of developing nations, says he plans to push for lower borrowing costs, fairer global financial conditions, and stronger support for countries pursuing reforms. He said the government will continue focusing on attracting private investment, creating jobs, and shielding vulnerable households from rising prices, even as global shocks test the resilience of its reforms.